Hello, I'm Casey. I'm your fashion friend, your confidence cheerleader, your joy provider. I help inspire you with all things style, fashion, joy, and confidence. I post short, easy to digest advice videos to help you create a closet you love and get dressed with less stress. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get on with the show.
Hello, fashion friends. I'm here again with some great fashion tips for you. I'm going to talk about today one of my favorite, easiest, and most useful fashion tips that I have used for, maybe the last 5, 7 years or so. So this is a fashion tip that will make you feel like you have 10 times the amount of clothes in your wardrobe. It'll help you keep you inspired and keep your closet feeling new. So are you ready? Are you ready for what this is? It is to create a Pinterest board. I know that sounds super simple, but let's talk about it a little more. Okay, so to create a Pinterest board of inspiring outfits that inspire you, my personal Pinterest board is called Inspiring Daily Outfits. Pretty simple, but it's pretty clear of what it is. And anytime I see an outfit I like, whether it's on Pinterest, whether I'm on a fashion blog, I pin that outfit to that board. So sometimes I take a day that I do just go and scour through Pinterest or fashion blogs, and I start to pin outfits that I like. Just don't really think about it at first. Just kind of start when you're creating your Pinterest board. Just start with collecting images. Just when you look at an image, go, oh yeah, when you see an image that sparks your joy, or something about it seems really cool and creative, or it just really is attractive to you. So just like collect those images and pin those onto your Pinterest board. You can name it whatever you'd like. So that's step one of creating it. The second part is to then, once you have a good amount of images, take a step back, choose one image, choose 2 images, and start to dissect what is in that picture. So start to look at the shoes, the components of the outfit. You'll start to realize that a lot of these outfits, you have similar things in your closet that you can combine to be that outfit that you pinned. So you might look at a picture and say, oh man, I have shorts that are like that. Or, oh, I have boots that are kind of like that, and I have a sweater that she's wearing that is really similar to that. And then all of a sudden you see that you have basically that outfit that you pinned, and just maybe in a different combination than you would have thought to put it together. So maybe you're looking at another outfit and it's like, oh yeah, I have a blazer that kind of can work with that, and a bodysuit, and oh, it's just skinny jeans, but then a bright shoe. I have a bright shoe I could wear. So you start to break down these outfits that a lot of us look at these outfits as, oh, only those people can wear them, or only that fashion blogger can wear it. But when you start to actually look at one picture and break down the components of their outfit, you start to see that we all have similar stuff in our closets, and that it's more sometimes about the combination that you create. And so that's what this Pinterest board really is for you to help create new combinations in your closet. So the other thing it helps with is finding holes in your closet. So say that you pinned a bunch of pictures with wide leg black pants, and you can't create this outfit because nothing really completes it if you don't have a pair of wide leg black pants, right? So then you start to see these outfits that you pinned and you want to achieve, but you can't because of this one single component. So then that is when you know what you can go shopping for. You say, oh, well, I'm missing this wide leg black pant, and that is what I'm going to go out and search for to find one that looks great on me. And then all of a sudden you have this pant, and now you can achieve all these other outfits. So, or, it might be a certain shoe that you're seeing consistently that you pin, like a strappy tan shoe. Maybe you don't have that, but you're like, but that looks so good in all these outfits. That's my next thing I'm going to buy. So you start to be able to see the holes in your closet as well. So that's like 2 really amazing ways to use this Pinterest board to create new outfits and to bring new life to things in your closet. Too often we get stuck wearing the same top with the same pant with the same shoe because You know, sometimes we're tired in the morning and we can't think of new things to wear, or sometimes we are creatures of habit. So we will wear things together over and over unless something triggers us to not wear that over and over. So whether we spend more time with it to find a new outfit, or whether we create a Pinterest board. So I encourage you, I don't ever want you to like fully copy somebody and find that need to just always be copying somebody to find your style. But at first, you might have to, and that's fine. But I eventually wish for you that these Pinterest boards also become moments of inspiration. So it may be that blazer that you see in that picture is black, but you have a blue one. But it still can work if you pair it with this, this, and this, you know, and you start to see that you don't have to have that exact black blazer. You can have a different color blazer, and the same concept of the outfit would work. So my hope for you is that you create these Pinterest boards and they inspire you rather than copy. And if you have to copy, that's okay sometimes too. You know, you got to do what you got to do to get that fashion groove on. So this fashion tip, this Pinterest board has saved me so many times and made my confidence grow. You know, confidence can go away in a minute too. So in the morning, sometimes I'm tired and I'm looking at my closet and it's like, man, I can't think of anything to wear. I'll flip open my Pinterest board and all of a sudden I'll get an idea because of something I see, whip it together, and now I feel confident walking out the door in this fresh new outfit that I created. So the Pinterest thing is beyond something that I would suggest for you. It sounds so simple, but it has come in handy so many times for me. So break it down into steps. Start with just one and start collecting photos. Start collecting photos, you know, on Instagram. And maybe it doesn't even have to be a Pinterest board if you don't want Pinterest. You can make a file in your phone, like a photo file, so you can always screenshot pictures. I know with Instagram, we can't pin it. At least I don't know if you can, but you can't pin it from Instagram onto Pinterest. So sometimes I do a screenshot and then I pin it into my board. But you can also create this type of inspiration board in your phone. If you have another program you like to keep photos, feel free to do that. Me personally, I love Pinterest, so it's helped me to have a Pinterest board when I do this and to just click Pinterest open and look at it. And because Pinterest will provide you with some good inspiration photos, new ones that show up on your wall that you can pin. So I hope that helps. I hope you just start with step one. Just start with step one with collecting photos. Step two, break it down, start to analyze those photos. And step three, start to implement them into your closet. I hope this helps, and I'm so happy to just be here with you. I hope I help you find more ways to wear joy in your life. And if you have any questions, always feel free to contact me. Have a wonderful time creating those Pinterest boards, and happy wear joy.